Flash fill can be used to quickly format data, extract information, or combine data from different columns. In this first example, we have a list of first names in column B and last names in column C. We want to combine them into full names in column D. Therefore, in this example, we are going to look at how to use flash fill to combine data from different columns. The first step here is enter the pattern you want flash fill to recognize. To create a pattern, type the full name John Doe in cell D5. Then, select the range where you want the flash fill to apply. In this case, select cells D5 to D9. Remember, you need to select the cell with the created pattern as well. Otherwise, selecting only the empty cells will not work here. After, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and click Flash Fill in the Data Tools group. Excel will automatically fill in the rest of the names based on the pattern. As you can see, Excel has filled in the full names for the rest of the cells. You can do the same with a shortcut key as well. To do that, enter the same pattern you want to be recognized. I will type John Doe in cell E5. Then, select the range where you want the flash fill to apply. In this case, select cells E5 to E9. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E to activate flash fill. Excel will fill the column based on the pattern. You can see flash fill has automatically filled the remaining cells based on the pattern. The second use of flash fill is, flash fill can also handle more complex data. Let's extract initials from the full names under the second example. Type JD in cell D5 for John Doe. Select the range D5 to D9 and use flash fill from the ribbon. Excel will fill in the initials for the rest of the names. You can use the Ctrl+E shortcut key for do the same as well. Thirdly, you can also use flash fill to format data. For instance, type the unformatted number in cell B5 and cell C5 in a way that first 3 numbers within brackets, space, 3 numbers and 4 numbers separated by a dash sign. This is actually a telephone number format. Select the range C5 to C9 and press Ctrl+E. Excel will format the remaining phone numbers. You can do the same with the ribbon as well. You can see Excel has automatically formatted the phone numbers for the remaining cells. Always remember to verify the results of flash fill to ensure accuracy. Check the filled cells and columns in each example to confirm they match the desired pattern. To recap, we've covered 3 for using flash fill in Excel 365, combining 2 columns, handling complex data, and formatting data. All these tasks can be done using ribbon or the shortcut key of Ctrl+E. Flash fill is a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time and effort. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.